So previously I made a video to show you what to do if your brush doesn't work. So I want to go through the summary and also add a few other points that I've missed in my previous video, which might help other people who couldn't solve this problem of brush not working. So let's go to our Photoshop, and you can see I try to draw and nothing happens. So first solution was, after selecting the brush, you go to the brush, right click here and click on reset all tools. If that didn't help, the next thing to check is to see whether your caps lock is on. For example, now my caps lock is on. You can see my brush sign is like a plus. If I press the caps lock, it will start look like a brush. Another very common mistake that I do is selecting the wrong layer. For example, if you look at the layers, you can see I have selected the layer which is in the background. No matter how much I draw, it won't show it in here, and no matter what else I do, it's not gonna work because I'm drawing on the wrong layer which is in the background. So if I select this layer, and I can then draw. Another very similar problem is if I select an area here, okay, and then I go and click on the brush again, and I try to draw here, nothing happens because I have got a selection and I'm trying to draw outside the selection. So these selections are quite good for kind of doing like this and then creating a color into that selection. So you can only draw in the selection. Also, sometimes you might have accidentally selected a very tiny area and then you click on the brush and you try to draw and it doesn't work and you can't find the area. To clear all the selections, whatever the size, what you need to do is to press Ctrl D and then you can draw again. That's another solution that I use very often. Another of my viewers said he was getting this problem because his smoothing was set to 100%. So changing that also might help you. And if it still didn't work, then what you need to do is to close your Photoshop. Don't forget to save, close that, and then open again. And then it might start working again. Please write in the comments below which of these methods helped you so that other viewers could also learn. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos on my left and to subscribe to support my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.